Unveiling insights, the moment it dawns on you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as intriguing as it is common: dawn on someone. Have you ever experienced a moment of sudden realization, when something that was unclear suddenly becomes clear? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together and uncover the essence of this phrase. The phrase, dawn on someone, is a beautiful metaphor derived from the way the first light of day slowly makes everything visible. Similarly, when something dawns on you, it means that you suddenly understand something or realize it for the first time, especially after a period of confusion or ignorance. It's that aha moment when the proverbial light bulb goes off in your head. To truly grasp the meaning of dawn on someone, let's look at some examples. After hours of puzzling over the problem, it finally dawned on me that the solution was right in front of me. It didn't dawn on her that she had won the prize until her friends started congratulating her. I was halfway home when it dawned on me that I had left my wallet at the restaurant. These examples show the phrase in action, illustrating that moment of realization in various contexts. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can add depth to your conversations and writing. Dawn on someone is perfect for moments of personal realization, surprise understanding, or when describing a scenario where someone suddenly becomes aware of something. It's commonly used in both spoken and written English, fitting seamlessly into narratives, anecdotes, and reflective speech. Remember, the phrase often implies a delay in understanding or a period of not knowing before the realization hits. This is what makes the moment of dawning so impactful. Interestingly, you can slightly tweak the phrase without losing its essence. For instance, it suddenly dawned on me. The truth finally dawned on her. These variations add emphasis to the suddenness or the impact of the realization, enhancing the expressive quality of your language. And there you have it, the enlightening journey through the meaning, use, and beauty of the phrase, dawn on someone. We hope this exploration has shed some light on how you can use this phrase to enrich your English communication. Whether it's in writing or speech, capturing the moment of realization can now be as vivid as the break of dawn. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to uncovering more language insights together. Keep learning, keep growing, and let those moments of understanding continually dawn on you.